In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your form, choose the right report type, customize it to fit your needs, and share it with the right people. To begin, head to your Jotform dashboard and open My Forms. This is where all your forms live. Find the form you want to report on, hover over it, or click into its options, and select More, then Reports. This takes you to the reporting area for that specific form, so you'll only see data tied to that form's submissions. Before creating anything, it helps to understand the types of reports available. The Visual Report Builder is great when you want charts, graphs, and quick summaries you can present or share. HTML table listing displays your submissions in a clean web-based table that's easy to scan. Grid listing gives you a spreadsheet-like view for structured browsing and filtering. And if you need offline analysis or a snapshot to send, you can generate downloadable Excel, CSV, or PDF reports. Think about your audience. If they want visuals, go with the Visual Report Builder. If they want raw data, choose a table, grid, or a file download. Now create your report. Click Add New Report, pick the type that fits your goal, give your report a clear descriptive name so you can find it later, and click Next or Create. Keeping names consistent like form name, monthly overview, makes organizing multiple reports much easier. Let's customize. In the Visual Report Builder, you can add charts, graphs, and widgets that highlight key fields. Drag and drop to rearrange the layout, and use filters to narrow results by specific fields or date ranges, like last month's entries. This helps you spotlight trends without overwhelming your audience. If you choose an HTML or grid listing report, select which fields to display, set the sorting order so the most relevant entries appear first, and adjust basic appearance options for readability. When you're ready to share, click Publish in the top right corner. You can copy a shareable link for quick access, grab the embed code to place the report on a website or intranet, and set access permissions to public or private. Public is useful for open sharing, while private keeps the report restricted for internal use. One final tip, these reports update automatically as new submissions arrive, so your audience always sees the latest data. For downloadable files, remember they reflect the moment you export them. That's it, you've created a clear, actionable report in Jotform.